All right, so this is the hardest conversion problem that I can give you. In a faraway land where people ride on the backs of dinosaurs, they don't use money to buy goods, instead they trade. They may use 9 ounces of salt to buy 7.5 pug kisses. So how many ounces of salt would 33 pug kisses get you? Okay, so this is just a conversion problem like you saw before. And if you've been following our steps and doing tables, this won't be too bad. So let's see, if I wrote a table, what would my units be? Well, I think we got salt and pug kisses. So let's see here. What about our numbers? Well, 9 ounces of salt, 7.5 pug kisses. And then we got that 33. Oh, there are 33 pug kisses. So there we go. Now, I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do this. One is a big jump and one's a bunch of little jumps. It's really up to you. And you can use a calculator for these. So let's say you want to do a big jump first. Here, let me copy this so I don't have to rewrite it later. Okay, big jump. So that means you want to know how many times 7.5 can go into 33. Well, that's just doing 33 divided by 7.5. What do you get there? Use your calculator. You get 4.4. So that means 7.5 times 4.4 is 33. So then you just do 9 times 4.4. You get 39.6. Sweet. What if you're like, Mr. Schneider, I don't want to do that? Okay. So let's think about this reasonably. So if this is what you have, so the 0.5, you want to get rid of that decimal because it's hard to think with decimals. So if you were to double this, you would get what? 18 up here? And what? What's 7.5 and 7.5? I think that's 15. Well, that's kind of close to 33. If you were to double it again, you'd get 30 and 36. Man, how far are we away? We're pretty close. Oh, I think we're just 3 away. Can we go from 30 to 3? We can, look. If we divide by 10, so that means 36 with that decimal point at the end, divided by 10 is 3.6. Now, what good was that? Well, we know that 30 plus 3 is 33. So 36 plus 3.6 would give us our answer. 36, 3.6, 39.6. There we go. Same answer, different way to do it. Let's look at this next one. So, in a faraway land where people still fight in the Hunger Games, they don't use money to buy goods. Instead, they trade. They may use 10 tulip bulbs to obtain 6.2 silver bars. So how many silver bars would 31 tulip bulbs give you? Well, once again, we'll do this 2 ways. So we have silver and tulips. We have 10 bulbs and 6.2 bars. And we want to know how many bars 31 bulbs gives us. So let's copy this. So if you don't know how to get from 10 to 31, that is okay. You are not alone. So what you can do is you can divide them. Do that, you get 3.1. So that means 10 times 3.1 is 31. So just do 6.2 times 3.1, and then you'll get your answer. Let me pull up my Desmos calculator. 19.22. But is there a way to kind of reason through this? Totally. Let's say we want to get really close to 30. 31. Well, we can triple this and get 30. Triple 6.2, I don't know. If you double 6.2, so 1 times 6.2 is 6.2. 2 times 6.2 is 12.4. So if you'd add that, you'd get 3 times 6.2, which is 18.6. Oh, but we want to get 31. Is there a way to use this information to get that 1 that we need? Oh yeah, look. If you divide 10 by 10, you get 1. So divide 6.2 by 10, you get 0.62. So 30 and 1 is 31. 18.6 and 0.62 to 19.22. There we go. Same exact answer. Good job.